Now I'll be doing page 60. Here we have problem solving questions. Let's start with the first question, 21. Franny has 5 pages left in the album. So here we have 5 pages. About how many pictures can she place on each remaining page? So only in these 5 pages, how many pictures can she put? Now let's take a look at the picture that we have here. Franny's to-do list put 64 pictures. So over here we have the total number of pictures. So we have the total number, which is 64. This is the total number of pictures. And we have the number of groups, which is 5 pages. So I know the total, I know the number of groups, the number of pages. So here we have 5 pages. What I don't know is the number of stickers that we're gonna have in each page. So I told you, if we have the total and the number of items in each group, or the number of groups is missing, this means we need to divide. So here we have 64 divided by 5. Now the thing is that here they're asking about how many. When you are asked about how many, this means you need to estimate. So I don't want the exact answer. I want a near answer, an estimation. So 64 divided by 5. Let's see which multiple of 5 is nearest or closest to 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. So let's see how many numbers do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the answer is 13. So instead of saying 64, I said 65. I rounded. It's not rounding. I used a compatible number. A compatible number is 65 because 65 is a multiple of 5. So the answer is 13 pages. Now, question 22. Franny plans to spend 4 hours reading. About how many pages would she need to read each hour to finish the book? Now, the book that she's reading is 113 pages. So finish reading 113 pages of a book. Okay? Now, here she plans to read 4 hours. So every hour, each hour, this is the question. How many pages is she going to read? So the total is 113 pages. The number of hours that she is going to spend on reading is 4. So how many pages is she going to read in each hour? We need to divide 113 by 4. Now, first of all, I'm going to change the ones into 0, and I will change the 11 into a multiple of 4, because 11 is not a multiple of 4. So let's see, 4, 8, 12. This is a multiple of 4. So I'm going to change the 11 into a 12. So 120 divided by 4 is about 30. Because here we have 3 counters. 1, 2, 3. So it's 30 because I'll move the 0 to the quotient. So 30. About 30 pages per hour, each hour. Now number 23, Franny wants to spend an equal amount of money on the presents for her friends. If she has $62, about how much money can she spend on each present? So she's gonna buy presents. How many presents is she going to buy? We need to read. Buy presents for Kate, so this is the first person. Wendy, this is the second person, and Tia. So we have Kate, Wendy, and Tia. So we have here 3 friends. So we have 3 different gifts or presents. So we are supposed to divide equally. So we're gonna say 62 divided by 3. So what we're gonna do is that we're going to change this number into a multiple of 3. I will change the ones into 0, and I will keep the 6 because it is already a multiple of 3. So instead of saying 62, we're going to say 60. Now, 6 divided by 3 is 2. And I will move the 0 to the quotient, so it's going to be $20. About $20. About, for each present, she's going to spend about $20. Now, exercise 24. Model with math. The veterinarian has seen 47 dogs, 19 cats, 7 exotic birds, and 3 horses this week. Complete the bar diagram and find the total number of animals seen by the veterinarian. So the veterinarian checked or examined different animals. We have here 47 dogs, 19 cats, 7 birds, and 3 horses. What is the total? Here we don't have groups, we don't have repetition. We are just having different numbers, and I need to add them together. I need the total number, so we need to add in this case. So I'm going to add 47 plus 19 plus 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. Plus 7, so 19 plus 7 is 26. I'll put the 6 here, and the 20 will be moved to the tens place. Now 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So we have here 76 animals. So 76 animals. Now exercise 25. Wayne has 303 marbles. This is the total number of marbles. If he gives away 123, so he will share 123 of the marbles, not all of them, only 123 of the marbles, equally to 3 friends. So we have 123 marbles that will be shared into 3 people. So I know the number of people, I know the total. I need to know how many marbles each one is going to get. So I don't know the number of items. So this is what is missing. So we need to divide. So I'm going to say 123 divided by 3. We will change the ones into 0, and then I will look at the number. It is a 12 is a multiple of 3, because I say 3, 6, 3, 6, 9, 12. We have 12, so it's a multiple of 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4, and we will take the 0, we'll move it to the quotient. So I have 40 marbles to each. He will give 40 marbles to each friend. Now, how many? This is the first part of the question. We're done with the first part. Now, the second question, or the second part of the question, how many marbles does Wayne have left? So he has 303 in total. He will give away 123. How many marbles is he going to have left? So we need to put 303 minus 123. 3 minus 3, 0. 0 minus 2. I can't. More on the floor. Go next door and get 10 more. So I'm going to borrow. We will get from the next place. So this will become 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. So he will have 180 marbles left. Question 26. Higher order thinking. Tessa wants to separate 187 ears of corn into bags of 6 ears each. She has 35 bags. Estimate to find whether Tessa has enough bags. So we have 187 ears of corn. Now she will put every 6 ears of corn in one bag. So we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for each bag. I don't know the number of bags that she's gonna need, but she has 35. We will see if the number is going to be enough. So I don't know the number of bags that she needs. I know what one bag is going to contain. So here we need to divide So we're gonna say 187 divided by 6. We will change the ones into 0. The 18 is already a multiple of 6, so I'm not gonna change it. We will say 18 divided by 6 is, let's see, 6, 12, 18. So 3, and we will move the 0, so 30. So she will need 30 bags. Is it enough? She has 35. Will the bags that she has be enough for her to put the corn ears? Yes. So yes, Tessa has enough bags. Dion set a goal to ride his bicycle 310 miles in a month. He has biked, so this is the goal, and we haven't reached this number yet. It's a goal. He has biked 147 miles so far. So the goal is 310. He finished 145 miles. If there are 4 days left in the month, how many miles should Dion ride each day to reach his goal? First of all, I need to know the remaining distance. So we're going to say 310 minus 145. Let's do it. Now, 0 minus 5. We have 5 on the floor. More on the floor. Go next door and get 10 more. So we will take the one from the neighboring place. And the 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. Now 0 minus 4, again, more on the floor. Go next door and get 10 more. So the 0 will become 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we will have 165 miles left. He has 4 days. We need to divide the distance that is left by 4 days. So we say 165 divided by 4. I'll change this because I'm estimating. When they say about how many, this means we don't need to give the exact number. So I will change the ones into 0 and I will move the 16 because it's a multiple of 4. Now let's skip count by 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. So I have 4. 4 times 4 is 16. We need to add the 0. So 40 miles per day, every day.